चालू केलं हा.
So we're discussing regarding the pathophysiology, exactly how calcarea fluor works. So loss of calcarea fluor in the system is thus seen by followed by a hard knotty exudation on the surface of a bone. Number two, the relaxation of elastic fibers, hence dilatation of vessels, relaxation and displacements of the uterus, relaxation of abdominal walls, and hence hanging belly, and hemorrhage from the wombs, and all absence of after pains. See, this is exactly the place where calcarea fluor plays a vital role. And third important point which he adds over there is exudation of keratin from the cells of the epidermis. Keratin is contained in the skin, hair and nails. Keratin कुठं कुठं असतं? स्किन मध्ये असतं, हेअर मध्ये असतं, नेल्स मध्ये असतं. The exudation dries readily and forms an adhering crust, frequently found in the palms of hands, which through labor forms fissures and cracks. So there is a typical exudation of a keratin happens to be there at the in your palms. In if the calcarea fluor molecular level deficiency is there, and because of that, it produces a lot of cracks and a lot of fissures on the palms. So palmar eczema, this is one important remedy. Palmar eczema or sole's eczema, plantar eczema, where there are cracks are much more. This remedy plays a very vital role. This is pathophysiological correlation. So one should not forget this. This is exactly what he wants to tell. This is not a homeopathic remedy prescribed on the basis of symptom similarity. This pathophysiology, if you're going to understand, then you can apply this in the doses such as in the decimal scale 3x, 6x, or 12x potencies, and you can fulfill that deficiency with the help of that. So is it clear? So we'll go ahead with next slide. Mm, this is too important. Again, fissures and cracks. Uh, in regard to the reabsorption of the induration, two possibilities are thought of. So if you give a remedy to the patient, if you give calcarea fluor 6x to the patient, what are the things which can happen? Two things can happen. First important thing, the elastic fibers near the induration have lost their functional ability on account of pressure exerted. So molecules of calcarea fluor administered, म्हणजे इंड्युरेशन जिथं झालेलं असतं तिथले इलास्टिक फायबर्स आहेत त्यांचे काय झालेले असतात, दे हॅव लॉस्ट देअर फंक्शनल ॲबिलिटी and that's why they are not able to absorb the things. So after giving calcarea fluor, this calcarea fluor restores their functional integrity and thus enabled to throw off the exudation, which will then be absorbed by the lymphatic vessels. म्हणजेच काय होतं की त्याच्यामुळे जे त्या ठिकाणी असलेलं मटेरियल आहे they indurated, that again starts getting into the lymphatics and the induration gets dissolved. Ultimately a resolution can happen. See the action. He is explaining it at the cellular level and how it works. That also he is mentioning. There are two important things which he has mentioned. First is this, and second is another thing which he has mentioned over there, is the by means of the volumetric force of carbonic acid content in the blood, a part of fluorine is split off the fluoride of lime, and this combines with nascent hydrogen, forming hydrofluoric acid, which gradually dissolves the molecules of the morbid product, and these are taken up by lymphatics. म्हणजेच काय, नुसतं इंड्युरेशन जे असतं ते इंड्युरेशन कसं डिझॉल्व्ह होतं, व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग. कार्बोनिक ऍसिड आपण पॅथोफिजिओलॉजी सुरुवातीच्या सेल्युलर ऍक्शन मध्ये शिकलो होतो. वी हॅव लर्न दॅट कार्बोनिक ऍसिड प्लेज व्हेरी वायटल रोल. अँड हाऊ इट वर्क्स, it splits the fluorine part, and what it splits off the fluoride of the lime, which combines with nascent hydrogen मध्ये संयुग फॉर्म करतं, फॉर्मिंग हायड्रोफ्ल्युरिक ऍसिड. आता जे हायड्रोफ्ल्युरिक ऍसिड झालं, which how it works, it gradually dissolves the molecules of the morbid product. Morbid product म्हणजे disease product. So whatever induration has happened because of saturation over there, that starts dissolving because of hydrofluoric acid. And when it starts dissolving, this is easy to be taken up by the lymphatics, which are also having a now capacity of that elasticity, elastic fibers, which gets a strength, and that's why it gets totally absorbed over there. The part played by carbonic acid can be assumed by sulfuric acid as well. So there are two things, carbonic acid as well as sulfuric acid, both plays a very important role in dissolution or in this part. The latter is formed during the oxidation of the albuminides. So if the sulfuric acid used to work, it happens or it is formed during the oxidation of albuminides and takes part in this process. So both things are responsible in order to produce action over there and dissolving that induration. So see, he is explaining the pathophysiology, how it works. Okay, we'll go with the last sentence of that first part, physiologico-chemical data. In the similar manner, as explained under B, that is the second reason, hydrofluoric acid, which develop, it is possible for calcarea fluor to bring about a solution of the laryngeal corpus or diphtheritic exudation. See, he is explaining that calcarea fluor also plays very vital role in laryngeal corpus or diphtheritic exudation. घशामध्ये crop खूप जास्त झालेला असेल, lot of secretions are there, and if they are hard enough, this is very important remedy to be utilized at that level. See, you have understood very specifically only two things: how this remedy, how this salt used to work, where exactly it works, where exactly it present, what if a deficiency happens, what it used to produce, and if you provide them, how it will going to work. No materia medica gives all those things. This is one has to understand. If you will understand them, you can use them. And that's why he, to conclude that, he writes over there the general biochemical action. See, diseases having their seat in the substances forming the surface of the bone. कुठं कुठं action आहे मेडिसिनचे, surface of the bone. Diseases where they are present, surface of the bone, enamel of the teeth, and the part of all elastic fibers, whether of the skin, connective tissues, or the walls of the blood vessel. So any morbid process happens at these places. Think of calcarea fluor. Give it in 6x potency, moderate potency, commonly used potency. You can use it in 3x also, you can use it on 12x also. But generally, commonly utilized potency is 6x potency, because that becomes a moderately semi-dynamic at that level. Thus, all elements which can be traced through relaxed conditions of any of the elastic fibers, including dilatation of the blood vessels, arterial and venous blood tumors, and piles, varicose veins, and enlarged veins, indurated glands of the stony hardness, malnutrition of bones, especially of the teeth. See, these are the sphere of actions where remedy works. If you find it out pathology at this specific level, calcarea fluor is the remedy, and you can give it in repeated doses. You can give it twice a day, thrice a day, for months together also, till the patient recovers, and it hastens the process of recovery. Exostosis after injuries. See, very important indication, and these are common entities which happens to be there in your daily practice. Exostosis. Lot of patients of the degenerative disorders comes to homeopathy. Cervical spondylosis, patient comes to you, or lumbar spondylosis, patient comes to you. Disc degeneration, patients are there. Disc prolapse, the patients are there. And then osteoarthritis of the knees, very common. Avascular necrosis of femoral head, lot of patients are there. These are the pathologies can be tackled very easily with calcarea fluor. I am using in every space of the of such entities. Cervical spondylosis cases, I will think of Calcarea fluor or either biocombination 26, because along with the Calcarea fluor, I used to use Calcarea first, and both are there in the 26 number. Both of them are present. So Calcarea fluor, Calcarea frost, they present in 26. That's why I generally used to use 26 number. See, there are number of patients comes to your in your OPD with disc prolapse. Number of patients, yes. You add this remedy along with it, or you add directly a Calcarea fluor along with Calcarea frost. I will going to discuss about all those bio combinations, how to utilize them, that at the end. But this is how one must think logically, that you will require both the remedies. Calcarea frost pan lagnar hai, Calcarea fluor pan lagnar. Think of 26 where you can get along with that the Califos and Macfos. So spasm can be solved as well as Califos as a tranquilizer can work, and patient can be settled very easily. So these are the entities. In my practice, I used to use it very commonly and use not only for time being, used for months, and it works. So to dissolve the osteophytes, there is no good remedy other than this in your practice. So osteophytes are always formed in the cervical spondylosis. They are formed in lumbar spondylosis. They are formed in mm, mm, arthritis of the knees, osteoarthritis of any joint. These are formed, and Calcarea fluor is the remedy. So very important, exostosis after the injuries. Pendulous abdomen, you can get it number of times after the delivery, and patient comes. पूर्वीच्या काळी त्याला बेल्ट वापरायचे. त्या बेल्ट वापरून ते हँगिंग बेली लगेच कमी होते असं नाही. That very important is essential part is the Calcarea fluor. Uterine displacements. See, this is very important. Uterine displacement. This remedy plays a very vital role. So, uterine prolapse, retroverted uterus. These are very important things. This remedy you can use very easily. Indurations. Indurations means whenever any tumor is having hardness. Generally, in cases of fibroadenomas, I generally think of a Calcarea fluors or a fibroid uterus. Calcarea fluor plays a very vital role, very important remedy for fibroid uterus or fibroadenomas in the breast. This is very important remedy to be utilized very frequently, and you can get very nice results. I will share one case with you. Um, I have treated its. I have not having a PowerPoint at present, but since last 1 year I'm treating her. It is a case of a neoplastic lesion in the breast. It was very hard, as if stuck to the chest posterior chest wall, and she is a very young girl, young lady. She was just 35 and having that, and I have done USG first, and it has been mentioned that it is of neoplastic etiology, but she said that, sir, I asked her to go for the mammography, but she refused because of some family problem. She said, sir, you give me medicine, I will continue your treatment, and but don't ask that, it is not possible for me because of some reasons, and it was not done. And I have continued her nearly about since last 1 year. She was on 26, and along with Conam maculatum, one more remedy as a homeopathic remedy. Conam maculatum 30 along with 26 numbers in repeated doses. And Conam maculatum gradually I have increased up to 200 or 1 m in last 1 year. Only three doses every 1 2 months intervals, and continued on 26. And we have done sonography again after 6 months, and which shows that there is no more growth. No, the growth has completely dissolved, and there is nothing inside the breast. This is very important thing. This remedy can work with the help of a logic and with the help of this understanding of Schussler suspect. It works beautifully. So it has the capacity to dissolve that. So now you can understand that the depth of calcarea fluor very easily you can utilize, and you can utilize it safely. It will not cause any trouble because it works at a different level. There are a lot of
Mm.
questions arises in students' mind or in practitioners' mind. So this is the presentation. So thank you being there. We'll have a chat with this. So I will stop this sharing the screen and we'll discuss directly with direct communication. Few things we're going to discuss over there. This remedy I used to use in 6x potency, and generally I either use 6 calcarea fluor or I generally use it with combinations. 17 is piles where calcarea fluor is there. It is there in 23 where there is ferrum phos, mac phos and calcarea fluor. It is there in 26. It is there in the calcarea fluor, calcarea phos, mac phos and Kali phos. So yeah, according to them, you have to utilize them. So these salts works beautifully in pathological cases, gives you a perfect result, and you can find it out the pathology getting solved. That is more important. People expect that Dr. MRI मध्ये फरक होईल का? That is very important question which arises there. So there are a number of practitioners in our group at present. If you have anything you can discuss, you can ask me. We can discuss about those things. Any query. Dr. Shishir have asked me one question today morning regarding this. He said that I used to ask the students if I am if the calcarea phos is having a biochemic a biochemic relationship in this manner, can we give directly a chalk to the patient and whether it will work or it will treat that patient? Yes, chalk can work, but chalk is generally a material. It is not semi-dynamic. First important absorption is not there with the chalk so much. That's why calcium given in material form cannot get absorbed so much. If you give calcium in our homeopathic medicinal forms, it gets absorbed very easily. Calcium given to the pregnant ladies, it is given for months together for pregnant ladies. How much amount gets absorbed? It is not complete absorption happens to be there. In fact, very minute absorption happens to be there with the cell, and that's why every time they comes with different salts of the calcium. Previously, they used to use calcium carbonate. Then they came with the calcium phosphate. Then they came with new calcium molecules, and they used to tell you every time that mm, uh, this is good absorb than earlier molecule. But still, when you provide it in material form, then never gets completely absorbed at that time. Lot of very less absorption is there. And so if you give chalk, there are multiple patients who comes to you and they tells you directly that I have a habit of mm, uh, eating a chalk or eating pencil. This happens very commonly. So basically, I used to suggest that it should be in a semi-dynamic form. If you triturate it, the energy liberates over there and the penetration power increases. And when the penetration power increases, it acts very nicely. And that's why material thing never gets absorbed very easily. Where these semi-dynamic properties, where there is dynamic powers also there, energy is also there, along with very minute amount, the molecules are also there which gets absorbed. So this is one important thing which can be with which you can use the calcarea fluor. uh, Generally 6x potency, 3x, 6x, 12x, someone have asked regarding it. 6x potency, because I it is not it is in between potency where the material is reduced as well as energy is increased because you are triturating it again, and that's why I used to utilize generally a 6x, not 3x. 3x I have never used, or whenever I have used, only in combinations I have used, not in directly with the as a single. So I have 6x potencies of all 12 tissue remedies, but I don't keep 3x or 12x with me regarding those. Any other question? You can open the audio and you can discuss. Shishir is there. You can open. Lot of practitioners are there. Open the audios or as well as videos, so I can see you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Number of practitioners are there. Vaibhav is there. Sidhu, I'm not getting if he is there.
Sir, one question.
Oh, definitely.
Sir, what is the difference between calcarea phos, suppose 6x or 12x as a homeopathic potency
Huh.
and 6x, 12x as a biochemic potency?
Homeopathic potency, it is not homeopathic potency. When you are giving it 6x, it will going to work in the similar manner. It is not homeopathic at that time. Homeopathic it becomes when you go above than 24x potency. If you go above that, it becomes completely dynamic. You cannot find it out, locate that remedy at that time. So
Okay.
until that period, whatever remedy you are using semi-dynamic. 12C up to 12C. If you are using it in centesimal, till 12C, it is semi-dynamic. And above 24x, it is dynamic. Till that to 24x, it is again you are using it in semi-dynamic. So they work both at the level of molecular level as well as at the dynamic level. So energy works at the homeopathic level and the material works at the cellular level. Both things can be works in those cases. And
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
there is
Okay,
one
sir.
more question, always the question asked by the number of people to me, की सर होमिओपॅथिक रेमेडी आपण दिलेली आहे आणि मग आपले ही मेडिसिन त्याच्याबरोबर इंटरफिअर नाही करणार. That is again a question number of people ask me. There are two different planes in which they used to work. One is working at the dynamic level completely, and one is working only with the material or semi-dynamic. It is not material level or it is semi-dynamic level. You can safely use these medicines along with that. And when you use, for example, I have given one example of Conium maculatum. I have cured that case. I have ample cases of avian cured with this. I have the recordings of them. I have the reports. So even report shows that there is no further progress of the disease has happened, and a marrow edema is completely vanished, and there is no further appearance of marrow edema. I have consecutive MRIs of the avian patients every 2 yearly they have taken. So worst case I have shared when I have done a seminar with Gaurang. I have all the reports of that patient, and these indicates that it is working at the specifically at that cellular level or tissue level. Any other query? Sanjay sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, Dr. Chandrakant Bhavkar, hero.
Question नहीं है, पण I have
just minute one by हां बाकीच्यांनी त्यावेळेस तेवढ्यापुरतं ऑडिओ बंद केला तर इट बिकम्स इझी. संजू बोल.
नाही, मी फक्त एक्सपिरियन्स घेतलेला आहे कल्करिया फ्लोर फायब्रोएडिनोमा आणि जे आपण याला हे म्हणतो कॅल्केनियस स्पर, त्याच्यामध्ये स्पेसिफिकली व्हेरी गुड रिझल्ट. प्लांटर फेशिया जरी इंज्युअर्ड असली किंवा कॅल्केनियस स्पर जरी असली तरी इट गिव्स बेस्ट रिझल्ट. आणि ऑस्टिओआर्थरायटिस ऑफ नीज मध्ये तर 26 नंबर ब्लाइंडली, नो डाऊट.
रसाळ सरांचे सगळे स्टुडंट 26 नंबर दे आर फेमस विथ.
आणि आमचे जळगावचे फार्मासिस्ट विचारतात तुम्हाला 26 नंबर जास्त का लागतं.
आमच्याकडे जास्त डिलिव्हरीचे केसेस येतात असं सांगायचं त्यांना.
डायनॅमिक deliveries.
Okay. So,
सर कॅरेज ऑफ टीथ मध्ये आपण कॅल्केरिया फ्लोर किती दिवस द्यायचं म्हणजे डोस किती दिवस?
You can give it, you can repeat it also for till the pain subsides completely. It never, once it has been carried, it's carried.
Okay.
Once it is carried, it's carried. But the pathology, the pains, the sufferings disappears under the action of 23 or under the action of Calcarea Fluor.
पण समजा त्या कॅरेज मुळे
If it is starting of a caries, give it for repeated doses, so it stops that. That is the basic action of it. So further, what dentist says, तुमची एखादी दाढ किडली की ते सांगतात की दाढ काढून टाका, किंवा मग त्या ठिकाणी त्याला काय शब्द आहे, आय फॉरगॉट दॅट, काय करतात दाताचं,
रूट
कॅनल करतात, आणि मग त्याच्यावर फिलिंग करून कॅप बसवतात. रूट कॅनल करून प्रोसेस थांबत नाही ना, इट नेवर स्टॉप्स. caries process, if it has been started, you have to stop it. You can give the 23 number for even for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you can give. That works beautifully in such types of cases. Okay. शीतल काहीतरी विचारत होती. शीतल, so tomorrow,
can we use this in menorrhagia?
Yes, if it is because what may be the reason behind the menorrhagia, that you have to find it out. One common entity which you can get on USG, bulky uterus.
Yeah.
Bulky uterus ही comment खूप common येते USG मध्ये. You can get that comment. Think of Calcarea Fluor. It plays very vital role in such types of cases. You repeat it, it works. So instead of giving for 15 number, I used to give 26 or Calcarea Fluor along with 15. 15 is menorrhagia, menstrual troubles, menstrual complaints.
Okay, sir. Sir, but nowadays USG patient doesn't want to go for USG.
I must suggest that everyone should be should do an investigation.
Yeah.
What happens generally, if you don't do a generally investigation, when patient goes to next practitioner and he comments on you, this fellow has not done your USG, bas finished, your value.
No, I asked.
That's why you must do all investigations. Necessary investigation should be done, even though your treatment never depends upon that. Even the one but for the purpose of diagnosis, it is very useful.
Sir, I asked her, but for lockdown, due to fear of COVID, she doesn't want to go to hospital.
Okay. Till that,
Madam, you can take it as a mentality of a patient.
Yeah.
Madam.
Pardon?
You can take it as a symptoms of a patient does not want to go to the lab or investigation due to the fear. So you can take it as a fear impending disease of epidemic.
अच्छा, हाँ, ये नहीं ध्यान में आता.
Okay.
Or some patient does not want to take X-ray or USG, even though there is no COVID fear, then it can be taken as a light aversion to shuns light.
No, which is fear of COVID. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
I given BD.
Thank you all of
Pardon?
you, because meeting will going to conclude. I want to conclude the things. Tomorrow we're going to meet again at 2:30 with the same topic. Remaining few more slides regarding theory, followed by Calcarea Foss. So my suggestion is that you, before coming for lecture, you read, go through that, so that you will understand that aspect. Okay. So I ask Vinod to conclude the meeting. Thank you being there. Since long time we have discussed a lot regarding this topic. Thanks everyone. We'll meet tomorrow at 2:30. And those who have not able to join today, ask them to open the YouTube channel in the evening. And those who have still not subscribed for the YouTube channel, ask them to subscribe and get the things or notifications. Thank you everyone, because there are a lot of phone calls are coming. So we'll meet tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Vinod, conclude.
Thank you.